Sahana Bahu to my tribe. So here we start with our next zodiac sign, that is Libra. Libra for 2025 March. Something I want to share, that there's a big planetary shift happening from 29th of March. Shani is changing and a lot of things happening. 1 month before or 2 months before, 3 months before, the shadow of those shifts start showing up. मतलब जो छाया होती है वो सारे planets की, वो दिखना शुरू हो जाती है. तो आप देखेंगे वो चीज़ जब होनी है एक डेट के बाद, लेकिन उसके लिटिल लिटिल effects will start showing. So that is why March reading is very important. So let's see what is shifting for you and what is happening for you, right? So let me check what is the state of mind right now for Libra. Libra is feeling a little disappointed in life. They are wanting to build something of their own abundance. I feel there's a lot of karmic change also. Right now you are trying to balance yourself, balance your money. First thing is going to bring a lot of meeting people, partying, enjoying, friends, lot of celebrations. Some celebration is coming in the first week for you, Libra. Lot of party. I feel you're going to meet, socialize, network, celebrate. All that is going to happen. Second week is a new beginning. Maybe you are coming in partnership with someone, or you are meeting somebody. Now this new beginning is going to disappoint you, let me tell you. It's not something very happy. Why? Because all that you had thought in your life, that when I do a partnership or when I come together with someone, I'm going to do this, so many things on your mind. But it's going to disappoint you a little bit, because whatever you thought might not happen the way you think. It will happen in a very different manner, but not the way you thought about it. Okay, things are going to go very slow. Probably you're thinking a lot about money. Probably there was some property case, some legal case also involved for few of you in the second week. Whoever is involved in that, you have to be very careful at this time, because if you're taking this very lightly, it is not going to go in your favor and you will start having issues in that area. So be very careful in the second week. Now the third week. Third week is coming with meeting a lot of old friends, old family. You're feeling also a lot of fear. Some of you who have kids, I feel it could be kids, it could be younger siblings. Probably you're stuck in circumstances. You're also going to think of that time in the past where you felt very, very stuck in circumstances because of your brother, sisters. You felt abandoned. Now also you're going to feel the same energy. Something is going to trigger of the past. Maybe you will go for some kind of wedding or an event, and there you will again come across the same situation, and people are going to say things to you and you're going to feel very uncomfortable and very bad. Okay, at such a time now, I'll tell you always, first heal your own inner child. I feel that we hold on to our past so much that we come into the similar situation, so that everything triggers back. People are going to be what they are. We have to change, right? So we have to work on ourselves, for sure, our emotional self. But there will be somebody in this whole crowd who will come and comfort you also. A male figure I see will come and comfort you on this situation also. Your fourth week is full of confusion. I feel you're feeling very confused about a situation. Probably it is related to your work, but it is to somebody who's trying to dictate terms to you. Okay, if you try, there is somebody around you, probably it's a boss, it's a situation which is trying to control you all the time. So you're going to feel very confused and very feeling little low. And I think this is a change that is happening in your life in the fourth week, because it is near to the change, planetary changing also. I feel that there are a lot of other offers also coming to you at work, but you're still thinking that, अरे ये तो बहुत छोटा है, very small ones. I don't know whether I should take it. I don't know whether I should go for it. I feel you need guidance at this time. You either take guidance of somebody's elder to you, or a guru, or a teacher, or somebody elder to you in the family, because somebody needs to show you the light over here, because you are not seeing things very clearly over here in the fourth week. Okay, so here you need guidance, you need a torch, and that torch could only be a guru. A torch, it can only be somebody who's elder to you, who's already walked that path, right? Taking advice is the best thing at this time. Don't be too closed at this time, because I see you very closed. I want you to be little open so that you can take that guidance and come out as this weird, difficult situation. Let's see what we have in your relationship reading. Your relationship reading timestamp will be put in the description, so please see that so that you know when the relationship reading is starting and when the universal message comes. तो देखते हैं मार्च में क्या आता है, रिलेशनशिप में क्या चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, व्हाट बिग चेंजेस इज हैपनिंग. सो यस Libra. So the universe wants you to listen, meditate. Even if you don't like meditation, chant, sit in nature, connect with the Mother Earth. You will start getting messages that what the universe wants you to know. So March is a month where you will also start getting universal messages, messages from God, goddesses, from a book, from a show, from anything. There are going to be messages and you have to listen to it. You can't be in denial because that is going to give you guidance for the next few years to come in your life. Okay, the blocks are basically you're not ready to work on the self-worth part or the equal give and take. You're not ready to see how you can blossom in life. Okay, Libra, here what I feel, single people, you're just going with the flow in life. Okay, here there's a lot of solar plex energy, means you're still holding the past, so heal it. Also I feel there is a message of reaching out, so healing yourself or taking a step forward in life, you need some help, and that help can come from friends, family, doctors, therapists, counselors, anybody you can reach out to. There is somebody who wants to marry you here, Libra. Okay, there is an energy of marriage. So yes, Librans will think of getting married or coming together with someone, okay, in a committed relationship. However, you have to choose your battles. Here you have to choose the person you see. Here I want to get married, I want to do everything, but I don't want you to do this because this happened with me in the past, but I don't want you to do this because this happened to me in the past. You know, you have to choose your battle. Choose and accept the person the way that person is and choose what you want in life. You want a committed relationship, but some compromise is going to come with it. So here you have to choose. Okay, and for people who are already committed, I feel they are going to be again daydreaming about getting everything in life. However, they have to take a lead. Only thinking about it, dreaming about it, overthinking about it is not going to work. Here you have to take a lead. Take a lead in the relationship, make it better. Your partner is going to accept everything that you do, and with lot of love. I see lot of love, affection, pure love over here. Equal give and take over here. Okay, which you are not still ready. So here, taking a lead towards yourself, working on your self-love will improve your relationship with your partner. Right? That's all for today. Let's see what we have as a universal message for you. Listen, oh my God, it's the same card. Your inner child has something to say. See, the universe is speaking through your inner child. Listen to what your inner child is saying, that come out of all the past issues. Maybe there was trauma. I feel there's a lot of trauma. Maybe there is a lot of emotional baggage. You really have to work on it. And if you work on it, your relationship is becoming beautiful as ever. Right? So this is such a lovely message. And second time, see, 2 times this card came. So yes, so work on yourself, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, call me for paid appointments only, and share this video with your family and friends. Hari Om Tat Sat.